If you are struggling to save money in 2026, I can almost guarantee it's not because you don't make enough. It's because you are making at least 3 of the mistakes I'm about to show you. These aren't just bad habits, they are silent wealth killers. And if you fix these 10 things starting tomorrow, you could literally save thousands. Let's break them down. Mistake number 1. You are paying for services you forgot exist. I'm talking about subscriptions. In 2026, the average person spends over $200 a month on unused gym memberships, streaming services, and app subscriptions. That's nearly $2,400 a year. If you invested that instead, you'd have a down payment on a car in 5 years. Mistake number 2. The little treat culture. Look, I love a coffee as much as the next person, but buying a $5 latte every single workday adds up to over $1,000 a year. It's not the coffee itself, it's the death by 1,000 cuts. If you are broke, you cannot afford to treat yourself daily. Mistake number 3. You are ignoring your high-interest debt. If you only pay the minimum on your credit cards, you are literally throwing money into a black hole. With interest rates where they are in 2026, you are paying double for everything you bought last year. Stop investing until you kill the debt. Mistake number 4. You don't have a broke plan. You are winging it. You wake up, you spend, and you hope money is left at the end of the month. Rich people tell their money where to go. Broke people wonder where it went. You need a budget, even if it's just a napkin drawing. Mistake number 5. You are upgrading your lifestyle too fast. You got a raise? Great. But if you immediately bought a new car and a bigger apartment, you are now broke at a higher income level. This is called lifestyle creep, and it's why doctors and lawyers sometimes go bankrupt. Mistake number 6. You don't track your net worth. If you don't know your numbers, you can't grow them. Most broke people only look at their checking account. Wealthy people look at their assets versus liabilities. If you don't own more than you owe, you're in trouble. Mistake number 7. You are afraid to ask for more money. Whether it's a raise at your job or a higher rate for your clients, staying quiet is keeping you poor. Inflation doesn't care about your feelings. If you don't ask for a raise in 2026, you are effectively giving yourself a pay cut. Mistake number 8. You rely on one income. In 2026, the economy is too volatile for that. If you lose your job tomorrow, do you have a side hustle, freelance work, or even a small online store? If the answer is no, you are one paycheck away from disaster. Mistake number 9. You buy brand new. Cars, phones, laptops. The moment you drive that car off the lot, it loses 20% of its value. The rich buy used and let someone else take the depreciation hit. Let that sink in. And finally, mistake number 10. You wait for someday. You think, I'll start saving when I make 6 figures. That day never comes. If you don't start today, with whatever you have, you will be having the exact same conversation with yourself 5 years from now. Time is the one asset you can't get back. So, which of these 10 mistakes hit closest to home for you? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to actually win in 2026, hit that subscribe button right now. I'll be here every week to help you build the wealth you deserve. Thanks for watching, and let's fix that money.